Welcome back to another video, boys and girls, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get the best FPS possible in any PC game. You can play Minecraft, League of Legends, GTA 5, Siege, whatever you want, guys. But before the video starts, I just want to say thank you all for the recent support. We just hit 350 subscribers. If you guys can help me to reach 400 subscribers by the end of April, that would be good, guys. But if we can't, no worries, I know we can do it. We can probably reach like 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, post notifications on. I usually post tutorials like this one, like FPS tutorials, glitches, so like just similar videos to this. If you guys wanna like know whenever there's a new FPS guide or like glitches in any games and stuff like that, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, post notifications on to stay notified whenever I upload a new video. I usually upload anywhere from 1 to 3 or 4 times a week, depends how busy I'm with school and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna stop chatting now and yeah, let's get straight on to the video. So it is really important, guys, that you actually have a decently good PC when you game, because if you're playing like a GTX like 10, like GTX 15 or some like really old graphics card from 1996, your games will not run smooth. Like, I would recommend getting at least a minimum of like a GTX 1050 Ti or like a similar graphics card to that. I have a GTX 1050 Ti. I got this PC like 4 years ago and it's still holding up pretty good. So yeah, guys, I would recommend getting your GTX 1050 Ti. And yeah, the most important bit about actually like getting good FPS and stuff like that is the first thing you want to do is exit out of all the background apps. So what I mean by that is, like, if you're playing like CSGO, for example, and you have like other games turned on in the background, and you have Google Chrome and Discord and Skype and Snapchat and all that stuff in the background, then your game will lag and you will lose loads and loads and loads of FPS. Trust me, guys, this does work. Like, go into CSGO, whatever game you play, and turn on like 20 other background apps, and then you're gonna see FPS drop from like 100 to 25. And as soon as you turn off all those apps, your FPS is gonna go back to normal. So yeah, guys, that is tip number 1. Tip number 2 is get a cleaning program. Like, what I mean by cleaning program is basically like 360 total security. That's one that I use, and what this does, it's basically free and it helps you like get rid of all like the rubbish and stuff on your PC that you don't need. So yeah, this is really important. No, this program, like, you don't have to pay for it. If you want to, you can. The paid version does have more options and stuff like that, but I don't really want to pay for it because I can just clean it up by myself. But yeah, you basically, what you do is you click on app, you go clean all the stuff, delete all the useless files you don't need and all that stuff. So okay, the third tip is, guys, this is like literally a really important tip, because if you don't do this, then you'll basically lose down 3 FPS. So delete or uninstall, whatever you want to say, delete or uninstall any unused apps, any unused files, stuff like that. So what I mean by this is basically, so for example, if you have GTA 5, if you have Roblox, if you have all that stuff, and let's say you haven't played Roblox for like 2 years, and you don't plan on playing it like ever again, then please uninstall it from your PC. It will free up your storage, and it'll like basically like help you get more FPS, all that stuff, and it's a really good way of increasing your FPS and making your PC just run smoother, faster and better. Delete any pictures you don't need, delete any files, any videos, stuff like that, like just anything that you don't use, just delete it off your PC. If you're not sure what something does, or like if you're not 100% sure if that's going to damage your PC if you uninstall it, then just leave it or ask a professional. I'm not really that good at like PCs and stuff. I just know how to boost FPS and all that cool stuff. So yeah. The fourth thing is you have to go to your disk drive or whatever it's called, and you basically have to clean it. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, guys, as you can see, so what you have to do is type in this PC. After you've done that, whichever one you use, right click on it, click on properties. This is really important. If you don't do this, then you're basically losing on 3 FPS. So what you want to do from now on is click this clean up and wait for it to clean up. Okay, after it's done that, select all of these files. Just select one by one and until all of them are selected, and just click OK. Delete files. So you just have to wait for this to finish. I'll speed this up, and yeah, hopefully you will lose out on some files and stuff you don't really need. So yeah, as you can see, it's cleaning up. I'm just gonna speed it up right now. Okay guys, now that your thing is clean, system C or whatever you want to call it, go into the second one, click properties and do the same thing. The next step is basically what you want to do is when you do play games, enable game mode. Enable game mode. This is really important because this boosts your FPS, it makes your PC go into game mode and all that stuff. So yeah, so what you want to do now is go to your search bar, then type in game, then click on game mode settings, and what you want to do here is basically turn this on. It's probably going to be off for you, so turn it on. Go into Xbox game bar, turn this off, you don't really need this. Captures, turn this off, turn all of these off, you don't need it. Game mode on, and Xbox networking, just don't touch any of this because it's like Xbox stuff and you don't really need any of this. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you guys. I'm trying my best to record as many videos as I can, and yeah, I released a video 2 days ago, so yeah, make sure to go check out that video. It's gonna be on the top right now, or top left, I don't know. It's probably gonna be on the top right, so yeah, go check that video out. Please make sure to leave a like, comment down below what else you want me to do. Do you want me to do more tutorials, more like FPS boosts, all that stuff? Like what types of videos do you want to see, and when do you want me to post, and how many times you want me to post them? Just basically like let me know how I could improve my channel, all that stuff. And I hope we can get to 400 subscribers by the end of the next month. It's my birthday in May, so I hope we can get to 520 subscribers till May. So yeah guys, make sure to share my channel with all of your friends, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you get notified, as I already said. And yeah guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video, it's helped you out. If it has, comment down below. If it hasn't, comment down below as well. I'll try and help all of you guys. And yeah guys, you guys are awesome, and hope you have a good rest of the day, and peace.